Hello guys, welcome back to Code Study. In today's video, we will discuss about how to upload themes and plugins in our WordPress website. There are actually two methods of uploading themes and plugins. In first method, we have to log in our cPanel. In another method, we have to log in our admin panel of WordPress website. Without wasting our time, let's see both of the tutorial in this video. I will log in into my computer screen and you will see complete tutorial there. So, bye bye. Hello guys, now I am in my computer screen. As I have said, I will tell you two different methods, that is cPanel method and direct method. Now what I will do, I will just log in. First we will look up for direct method. In direct method, I have a WordPress theme known as Sasnex and one WordPress plugin for them, that is Elementor Social Media Booster. So I will upload this both of these plugin into my WordPress website. So I will log in into my website, that is vcards.codestudy.com. As you can see, this is fresh website. No themes and plugins are installed. It is come with 1920 old theme. So I will log in into my website. Now what I will do is I will upload new theme via direct method, that is from dashboard. So I will just click on themes and I will click add new. I will click add new, and here are all pre-installed themes come with WordPress, but what I will do, manually upload the downloaded theme. So I will click on upload theme and choose file. So I will give the path where my theme is stored in my computer. So it is stored at this place, and the name of the theme is Sasnex WordPress theme multipurpose. I will upload it and install now. Just click it on install now. Here you can see the progress of your WordPress website in the left corner, that is uploading 6%. So it is the simple method of uploading theme on WordPress. And similarly we can upload a plugin via this method. For that, let's wait till the theme get uploaded, then we will proceed further. Now here you can see that the theme is installed successfully. What I will do is just go into themes and check whether the theme is got installed or not. As you can see that the new theme Sasnex is now installed. What I will do is just activate this theme. Just click on activate and the theme will get activated. Let's see how now our website is looking. I will just click on this and visit site. This is how our new website is looking. It is loading. And here is how our new website is looking. As you can see, it is completely different from old website. Now what I will do is just go again in my dashboard and will uninstall this theme. I will delete this theme and also delete the plugin installed by this theme and upload a manual plugin. How to upload a manual plugin in WordPress website? So I will go into my dashboard. As you can see, this is my dashboard and I will look for my themes. I will go in appearance and themes. Now I will activate my old theme and deactivate this new one. I will just click on activate and will deactivate or delete this old theme. Just click on here and delete this theme. I will manually delete this theme and I will look for plugins and I will delete all the old plugins that I have installed for the theme. So I just click on this and bulk action and deactivate all theme. This is a method of deactivating all the plugins at once. I will just apply it. As you can see, all the old plugins get deactivated. Now I will delete them completely. Just click on here and delete. Bulk action and delete it. And it will ask for a pop-up. I will click OK. As you can see, all the plugins are getting deleted. And I will refresh this page so that you can see that all the plugins are get deleted. Now what I will do is I will upload a manual plugin. I will show it from starting. I will go in dashboard and plugins and add new, and just click on upload plugin. As I have said that there are multiple plugins given by WordPress for free, but what we will do is uploading the plugin from our computer. Just click on choose now, that's so that you can upload it from your computer. And I will upload this plugin, chatbot plugin, and open, and just click on install now. And you can see the progress on left side of the website, and it get installed. What, there isn't something error in this plugin, it is saying installing failed. I will do it again. I will again upload a new plugin. Just I will click on add new. Actually what I mistakenly done was, just without extracting the file, I have uploaded whole content of that plugin. So I will extract that file. In chatbot plugin there is another plugin known as VBot. I will just click on this and install now. So you can see that how fast that the plugin get installed. The plugin installed successfully. I will just activate the plugin. This is the method of uploading plugins and themes via your dashboard. So you can see that the new plugin has been installed. You can click on settings to customize this. So this was the tutorial for uploading theme via direct method. Now we will see how to upload themes and plugins via cPanel method. I will log in into my cPanel. In this cPanel I will go to file manager. Firstly I will delete these old plugins. Just go to plugins and delete this. Bulk action, deactivate and apply. So the plugin will get deactivated, and now I will delete this plugin. Just click on delete. Okay. For uploading the plugin and theme via cPanel, what you have to do is just go to cPanel and file manager. I will reload this page. So now I have logged in into my cPanel, and we were working on a website known as vcart.coursedady.com. I will generally login into enter into vcarts.coursedady.com and go to WP contents. In WP contents there are the folders names as plugin, themes, and all uploads. Here in uploads you have all your media, but in themes we can upload our theme. Just go into theme, and as there is a old theme 2020, now we will upload our new theme. So what you have to do is just click on upload, and select the file that you want to upload. As I want to upload Sasnex named theme, I will just double click on it, and it will start get uploaded. As you can see, 6%, 7%, 8% it is uploading. In 5 to 10 minutes it will get completely uploaded. As you can see that the theme got 100% uploaded successfully. Now what I will do is go back to my home page. I will just click here, and you can see that a Sasnex name theme is uploaded. I will extract it here. Just click it here and right click here and extract it. Extract files. So you can see that the all files get extracted. I will close it and reload the page, and the new theme is installed. I will just go in my dashboard and see that the theme is installed or not. You can see that the new theme got installed manually via cPanel. I will activate it later after uploading plugins. So what I will do is go to cPanel and click on home and enter into vcarts.coursedady.com. Just click on vcarts.coursedady.com. Just go on WP content and plugins and upload it here. Just click on upload, select file and the file that you want to upload. Just as in direct tutorial I have uploaded VBot, so here also I will upload VBot. It get uploaded 100%. Now I will go back and see that in my plugin section the plugin is there or not. As you can see that there is no plugin. What I have to do is extract that plugin there. So I will again go there and right click here and extract the plugin. I will just click on extract and extract files. So all the files get extracted. I will reload this page and you can see that the new plugins get installed, and I will click on new tab and see that the plugin got installed or not. I will just reload it, and you can see the new Vpod plugin got activated, installed, and what you have to do is just activate it. It get activated. And that's all for today. It was a tutorial for uploading themes and plugin via direct method and via cPanel method. For further tutorials, please subscribe our channel and don't forget to like, share and comment. Thank you. Bye bye for today.